At sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Hong Kong Adventures 2024 mga darling, nilibot natin for a day ang Mong Kok area na kung saan ito ay sentro ng mga pasalubong for family and friends. At syempre shopping kung may budget din naman. May konting food experience at syempre wala rin kapagurang paglalakad at paglalamyerda. Marami pang photo op mga darling. Syempre may mga tip lang ako mga darling kapag nagbabiyahe ng ganito. Make sure that you are wearing the most comfortable shoes na pwede mong suotin. And syempre mga darling, hydration number 1. Pinaka-importante yan. May mga nabibili tayong mga collapsible na tumbler na kung ayaw nyong magdala ng medyo malaki, ayan, order lang kayo sa Shopee or Lazada ng mga collapsible na tumbler. And another mga darling, make sure to check the weather always. Napaka-importante niyan lalo na kapag yung weather sa mga lugar na pupuntahan nyo is very unpredictable. Make sure na may dala kayong umbrella or cap to protect you from the heat of the sun, and of course yung umbrella kung medyo maulan naman sa mga lugar na dadayuhin ninyo. Kaya samahan nyo ako muli mga darling at libutin pa natin ang Hong Kong. Hello mga darling! Welcome to day 3 of our stay here in HK. Of course, again, leaving our hotel room, heading to our next itinerary, which is TST. Sabi nga di ba kala, Ching Chang Su. This is our galas to the famous Avenue of the Stars, the Sads, what else? Sabi niya may Symphony of Lights. O kung ano man ang datnan namin doon. Kaya huwag kayong magsasawa mga darling at samahan niyo ulit kami sa amin or sa akin. Megan Wonders Go to Hong Kong 2024. See ya!
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
We are now in CST Victoria Harbor. And of course, marami na namang photo opportunity dito. Let me show you around real quick. In here.
And we all got dreams. We all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?
So medyo hot ang weather for today. Ang forecast kasi is parang may konting rain. Kaya lang, tama siguro yung sinasabi nilang climate change. So hot, buti na lang nagdala tayo ng cap natin. So a lot of buildings dito sa may Harbor View. Later natin to check yung Symphony of Lights and Avenue of Stars. Ngayon, we'll take the opportunity to take pictures sa mga shots na magaganda dito sa Harbor. Samahan niyo pa akong maglibot mga darling. Dito lang sa Hong Kong. Megan Wonders to Hong Kong 2020. See ya!
We all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
mga darling, nandito tayo sa loob ng K11 shopping mall siya. And that side na pinanggalingan namin is like the Legoland Discovery Center. Para siyang mga anuhan ng mga bata. So we'll explore the mall and then see what we can find for our lunch. Tingnan natin dito. Nagigutom na kami. It's 12. Past 12. Let's see. Okay, so this part of TSP, which is the K11 Via or Musea, whatever you want to call it, is for branded sets. Your Armani, YSL, Comfort, Chanel. So, pangyayamanin, pang tita small.
Know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams. We all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
And we're back in Victoria Harbor, mga darling. Mainit pa din, which is 3:05. So, lakad-lakad na din ng konti. And it so happened na merong bazaar dito. Mga Changi. Hindi ko alam for this weekend's event. So, samahan niyo ako mag-explore dito sa Victoria. Mga Chinese herbs and medicines. Tingnan nga natin anong meron sa taas. Oh, may payate. So if you wanna ride a ferry.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive.
Oh, it's a closer ng mga building. Ayan, mas malapit na view ng mga building. Kasi sa pinapictura namin doon, medyo malayo. At ang clock tower. Later, photo of the clock tower. So, yung mga kasama ko medyo nag-rest muna sila. Medyo napagod sila sa paglakad. So, try to explore this place. Very nice. May dragon dance. Try ko mag-picture dito.
nervous that I might screw everything up.
Hong Kong Clock Tower.
I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?